India, a land of vibrant cultures and diverse landscapes, is a haven for astonishing wildlife. From the towering Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats, this subcontinent pulsates with life. But this rich tapestry faces threats from human activity, habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. The Bengal tiger, an apex predator and a symbol of India's wild heart, is a creature of immense power and beauty. Once found in abundance across the Indian subcontinent, the Bengal tiger's reign is now confined to fragmented forests. Habitat loss and human encroachment have driven these creatures to the brink. Conservation efforts are underway to protect remaining tiger populations. In the dry, deciduous forests of Gujarat's Gir National Park, a rare sight awaits: the Asiatic lion. Once widespread across India and the Middle East, the Asiatic lion now clings to survival here. Conservation efforts, including habitat management and anti-poaching patrols, are crucial to ensure the survival of this endangered species. High in the Himalayas, amidst the towering peaks and glaciers, lives a creature of breathtaking beauty and elusiveness, the snow leopard. A master of its harsh environment, it is rarely seen, its presence often revealed by a fleeting glimpse or tracks in the snow. Protecting the snow leopard requires international cooperation and community efforts to safeguard its future in the high Himalayas. In the grasslands and swamps of northeastern India, a prehistoric giant roams, the Indian rhinoceros. Its massive armor-plated body and single, curved horn make it an awe-inspiring sight. Poaching for its horn has driven the species to the brink. Dedicated conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration, are crucial to ensure the survival of this magnificent creature. The Asian elephant, an intelligent and highly social animal, has long been revered in Indian culture. But as human populations expand and forests shrink, Asian elephants increasingly come into conflict with humans. Habitat loss forces them into close proximity to villages and farms, leading to crop raiding and human-wildlife conflict. Protecting the Asian elephant requires a multifaceted approach, including securing corridors and fostering coexistence with these magnificent creatures. In the murky depths of the Ganges River, a unique creature resides, the Ganges River dolphin. Blind, yet perfectly adapted, it navigates using echolocation. The Ganges, a lifeline for millions, is also one of the most polluted rivers. Protecting this species requires cleaning up the Ganges and restoring its ecology. Across the dry grasslands and scrublands of central and western India, a majestic bird once roamed, the great Indian bustard. Today, the great Indian bustard is critically endangered, its numbers plummeting due to habitat loss and power line collisions. Protecting this bird requires urgent action, including habitat restoration and community-based conservation. High in the grasslands and montane forests of the Western Ghats lives the Nilgiri Tar. This prey species for tigers and leopards is crucial to the ecosystem. Protecting it requires habitat preservation and community involvement. In the eastern Himalayas, amidst bamboo forests and rhododendron groves, lives a creature as adorable as it is elusive, the red panda. But this charming creature faces an uncertain future due to habitat loss and poaching. Protecting the red panda requires habitat conservation and raising awareness about its threats. The Indian pangolin, a shy and nocturnal creature, is truly unique. Covered in scales, it resembles a walking pine cone, its armor protecting it from predators. But it's one of the most trafficked mammals in the world. Protecting it requires stricter law enforcement and tackling illegal wildlife trade. India's wildlife is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a vital part of our planet's natural heritage. By supporting conservation efforts, we can make a difference. Let us ensure future generations inherit a world where these animals continue to thrive.